Hey guys, Chris here with Throdle, SEMA 2021, here with another hybrid member, Grant, and we're here with Grant's Honda Civic.
Yeah, 2017 Honda Civic hatchback. It's the Sport Edition, it's not the Type R, but that gave me a little bit more room to do what I wanted with it, put the wide body on, the wheels, and kind of play around and figure it out.
Grant's car has a little bit of a Spoon tribute to it. We're gonna go ahead and kind of walk around the car, and since we're next to the engine bay, it only makes sense. Let's talk about what we got going on in here, Grant. So what's the key things on this engine bay that you like?
The things that are unique to this car is all the carbon fiber hydro dipped parts there. We got some Spoon parts going on. We got a lot of wiring for all the LEDs that of course we can't see now during the light.
So let's go ahead and walk around to the interior, which was my personal favorite. The thing I like about this particular interior is all the yellow piping you see. The whole theme of this color is the yellow Spoon color. So what was the inspiration? Why'd you go Spoon with this car?
Spoon, I grew up watching car racing. I've always liked Japanese cars, and I thought what would be better for a Honda to have Spoon Sports on the car.
Well, let's check out the trunk here, guys, because this is probably one of the key features of the car. Obviously, he really likes kicker audio. So tell us about the sound system you got here going on.
So yeah, everything in here is kicker. I got 2 amps, 2 subs, custom boxes from Audio Evolution out in Temecula, and everything on it is kind of one-off.
Grant, thanks for spending your time with us today. And guys, follow Grant on the Throdle app. Thank you for your time, Grant. We'll see you later.
Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm here with Archie, who is 2-door EVO on the Throdle app. Now, if you haven't seen it, you gotta catch out his video that we did a couple years ago. But Archie, here at SEMA, what did you do differently for it?
I just put a whole new motor in it, new transmission. It has a fully built TrevTech Motorsport 2.1 liter high compression motor bottom end. It has a GameWorks head, fully CNC head, a new turbo, Zoner rotor, 9560S turbo, top mount, all the titanium stuff. Stage 3 transmission from Chevtrans.
Wow, so what was it pushing before in terms of horsepower, and what's it doing now?
It made 743 to the wheels on my old setup. Right now, it hasn't been dynoed, so we're hoping to make 850.
Wow, that's still really good. That's still pushing at least another 100, right? So
Yes.
well done on that.
The exterior doesn't have that much changes, but except for the wheels. They're 18 by 10.5 plus 18. They're C28 and the OG bronze.
Yeah.
They're discontinued by Race also, so it's really hard to find.
Okay, so that's a good shout out to your sponsor, Race Wheels, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's still using the Renegade products and so on?
Of course, always.
What's up, fam? This is Josh, your host with Throdle, and I'm here with Rex with his sick Model 3 Tesla. Tell us a little bit about your Tesla, man.
Yeah, so it's a 2020 Tesla Model 3. It's on bags. It has a 3M stand psychedelic flip wrap. It has a carbon fiber Vorsteiner body kit and a unplugged performance Ascension R carbon fiber rear wing. Has a Don Marconi Brembo Track Edition Big Brake kit, and has a custom carbon fiber interior as well to help complete the look. And obviously the wheels is the reason why I'm here. It's the Rohana RFG 21s. It has carbon fiber outer barrel. It has a lot of multiple spokes here. There's a lot going on, but it helps complete the build when, all the carbon and everything.
And this isn't something that obviously your average Tesla owner is doing out there, right? Because usually they're like Ubering them, keeping them completely stock. So what inspired you to actually do this build and do all this carbon, the wheels, the whole nine? Because this is wild, man.
Yeah, I mean, like you said, everyone that has a Tesla just keeps it stock, doing Uber and everything. I want it to be a little bit different. Started off with a wrap, and then it's been downhill from there ever since I started posting it on Instagram.
That's awesome, man. Do you Uber it by chance? No. all right.
Not with the carbon wheels, man.
No, that's super dope. Is there anything else that's super crazy special that's coming in the future for this build?
Of course, yeah. As soon as Unplugged Performance releases their wide body kit, I'm definitely gonna be on that.
Dude, a wide body Tesla Model 3. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Hey Rex, I really appreciate your time, man. Definitely check him out on social media. Check him out on the Throdle app as well.
All right, man.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Hey Throdle, I found Jason here at SEMA, who we filmed about a year ago, so make sure you check out his video. But what is your username on Throdle for us?
Kurenai, Kurenai.
So make sure you check out his Throdle app profile so you can learn more about the mods. So Jason, this is your first SEMA, isn't it?
Yes.
All right, cool. But since we've seen your last video, you've made tons of changes just for SEMA, haven't you?
Correct.
Well, the first obvious one is the wrap. Do you want to tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. So we kind of designed it off the old wrap that we had. We kept some of the features, but we enhanced it. So we added a few things. We added a castle. We added a castle on the hood and katana blade. And so my wrap sponsor, his graphic artist vectored it for the car. We kind of redrew it, vectored it for the car, and my wrap sponsor, Enzo Auto Wraps, laid it on the car.
So what is this image that we're seeing exactly? That's Mount Fuji, clearly. That's
Fuji. This is kind of a temple. It's got a torii gate over there with the Kurenai logo in the middle of it. It's just symbolic of Japanese.
So another thing that I see that's different is your tires, right? So they're still BF Goodrich.
Yes.
But what else have you done to it?
I had the wheels built by Brada Forged. I worked with them. They built a one-off wheel for me.
Wow.
So setting up the machinery and everything, it's a three-piece custom wheel. The fronts are 8x18 by 10. The rears are 18, 11 and a half.
Okay, cool. Now, if I remember correctly, the engine has stayed the same, but you've done some changes in the interior, haven't you?
The interior, the engine is all the same. The interior is all rebuilt from the seats back. So I have new seats being made right now, but they weren't ready for SEMA.
Oh wow, you've wrapped your air tanks, haven't you?
So
to match the livery.
Exactly.
Very cool.
We shrunk the livery, wrapped the air tanks with that, but we re-hardlined everything. A lot of people do hardlines, but not everybody does them like this. We created a tunnel, ran them all the way up to the front. Just that extra clean look for shows. We took the covers off the amps so that you can see the guts of the amps, and we just really rebuilt the whole interior at A+ Auto Sound here in Vegas. RAS Automotive Engineering up north of Seattle is responsible for all my custom aero one-off and the exhaust. And the middle pipe on the exhaust on the bottom works on a remote cutout, so I can open the exhaust or close it if I feel like it,
Well, you know what? People just love your video that you did for us on Throdle. Do you want to give a special shout out to one of our Throdle app members?
I absolutely do. Frankie, if you're watching this, I'm really glad that I can help you out. I hope you're enjoying the wheels.
So good luck with the rest of SEMA. I know the
you.
crew's out starting in a couple hours, so we should be getting ready for that. But good
For
to
sure.
see you again.
Good to see you, Nadine.
All right, thanks guys.
Thank you.
Dude, it is really hot in here.
It is.
Sitting here boiling like a greenhouse all
You know
day.
what? Let me turn the AC on.
That's your AC. Oh my goodness.
I can blow on you.
You know what? Rolling in here seems like an eternity ago. That was only like 5 days. It has been a long week at SEMA.
I know.
But I gotta say, it seems like it's super successful for you. You've had the Amsoil model, you've had the Renegade model on here. People were crowding around.
This is it, guys. Hopefully next year we're up here with a full-blown SEMA and Throdle. Maybe we bring more cars.
I think we definitely have to bring more cars. I know Josh wants to bring his G-Wagon, so watch out for that one.
Yeah, there we go.
But I think it's time, because I'm starting to hear all these exhausts turning on and everything. We're about to do the cruise out.
It's time for the rollout, guys. We have a full stack.
So thanks for joining us, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you get notified when we upload all of our content that we've done in SEMA. And believe me, there's a lot. So thanks for joining us. It's Throdle's
Fueling connections and driving experiences.
Awesome. So, you know what? You've taken tons of coverage. So where can we find out and see more of the coverage that you've taken here at SEMA?
Only on the Throdle app.
There you go, guys. So make sure you download the app and you check us out and subscribe to our YouTube channel.